Welcome back to the SM Auto Reviews. Today we're diving into something truly unique and eye-catching, a vehicle that blends practicality, creativity, and adventure into one small package. We're talking about the Tricycle Camper Car, a compact yet versatile machine that's been designed to give you both transportation and a comfortable living space on the go. This vehicle stands out because it's not your typical camper van or motorhome. It's built on a tricycle base, which makes it smaller, more agile, and surprisingly efficient, yet still capable of giving you that freedom-filled camping experience. From the first glance at the exterior, it's clear that this camper car isn't built to blend in. It carries a quirky and futuristic design that immediately sparks curiosity wherever it goes. The body is compact but well thought out, with aerodynamic lines that help improve efficiency. The front part looks much like a regular trike, with handlebars or steering options depending on the variant, but as you move to the back, you see the transformation. The camper unit is mounted on the frame in a way that balances weight while keeping the design functional. On the sides, you'll often find small windows that let natural light in, along with panels or compartments for easy access to storage. Some models even feature solar panels on the roof, allowing you to power small devices without relying on external electricity, which is a big plus for those who enjoy off-grid travel. Stepping into the interior, you realize just how much clever engineering has gone into such a small space. Despite being compact, the Tricycle Camper Car offers the basics you need for short trips or weekend adventures. The seating area can often convert into a sleeping bed, giving you enough comfort to rest after a long day of traveling. Some versions include a foldable table, small shelves, and hidden storage compartments that maximize space efficiency. The materials used are generally lightweight, but durable, with simple finishes that keep the weight low without compromising too much on comfort. Depending on the trim, you might also find LED lighting strips, a compact fan or ventilation system, and options for customization. While it may not provide the luxury of a full-size RV, it's perfect for solo travelers or couples who want a minimalist travel lifestyle. When it comes to performance, the Tricycle Camper Car is definitely designed more for practicality than speed. Powered either by a small combustion engine or in some cases an electric motor, it delivers just enough power to get you around cities, rural roads, or camping grounds with ease. The three-wheel design ensures good stability at lower speeds while keeping maneuverability high, especially in tight spaces where larger campers simply cannot go. Its lightweight build helps with fuel efficiency, and electric versions can offer a range that suits short-distance adventures. Of course, this isn't a vehicle you'd want to take on high-speed highways for long durations, but it shines in eco-friendly travel and local exploration. Handling is straightforward, with responsive controls, and the compact size makes parking almost effortless compared to traditional motorhomes. Now let's talk about pricing, because this is where the Tricycle Camper Car becomes even more appealing. Unlike full-size camper vans or RVs that often cost tens of thousands of dollars, this vehicle is priced much more affordably, making it accessible to a wider audience. Depending on the model, features, and whether you go for a gasoline-powered or electric version, prices generally fall into the budget-friendly range compared to conventional campers. Some models are available as kits or custom builds, which can reduce costs further if you're open to a bit of DIY. Of course, the more features you add, like solar panels, upgraded interiors, or better battery packs, the higher the price goes. But overall, it still remains a cost-effective way to enjoy camping with mobility. The Tricycle Camper Car is not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle choice. It's designed for those who want simplicity, affordability, and freedom without being tied down by the limitations of larger, more expensive RVs. It may not be perfect for everyone, but for travelers who love compact efficiency and the idea of taking a small home on wheels wherever they go, this camper car is a game changer. So, if you're someone who values practicality and minimalism while still wanting a taste of adventure, the Tricycle Camper Car might just be the right choice for you. Thanks for watching this review on SM Auto Reviews. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth looks at the latest and most unique vehicles out there. Do you also want me to make this script more conversational and engaging for YouTube delivery, like a natural host talking? Or keep it in this detailed review style?